So when we got to him, then he changed to green and yellow. That means he was like his friends.
Oh. And how do you think he was feeling?
Happy.
Our new Baby Dragon workshops will now work alongside the Dragons, Myths and Legends workshops that are also available to other year groups throughout school. Our Baby Dragons allow the children to explore exciting new concepts that we have not yet approached in previous workshops.
Workshop 1 is when the children will meet the big dragon. Before the visit, we send your school a magical book that can be used as a hook into our visit. The book has no words inside it and can be used as a catapult into learning and conversation. When we arrive, we will shine a light on it, bringing the story to life. In this story, children will meet a large dragon and become part of the first story of the day. Workshop 2 is where the children will meet the baby dragons.
During the Baby Dragon workshop, children will join us on a storytelling journey. All of the stories are linked to the different areas of the early learning goals. Through effective questioning, we are able to develop communication and language, and also explore discussions linked to personal, social and emotional development. We explore very relevant and important topics. We believe it is important to teach children from an early age to talk about their feelings, and this is at the core of everything that we do in these workshops.
The highlight for me was when the magical chest came out for the 3rd time and it was uncovered that Roger, the baby dragon that had been so sad and blue, had changed to yellow and green, and you could just hear the buzz go amongst the children that he's changed colour, he's happy, and their little faces that turn into each other like, oh, the wonder, the amazement in their face that they had helped that dragon change and become happy. You could tell they were proud of themselves, they were feeling really positive and excited, but they were also just blown away and mesmerised by the fact that they'd seen this change of colour. It was wonderful.
The final workshop is the green screen and photograph session. After children have met the dragons, we provide them the opportunity to get photographs with their favourite one from the stories. All of the images are edited and sent over to your school for evidence of our visit before we leave. As we work so closely with provisions before we visit, we are able to target everything we do to meet the needs of the children. This means that the youngest children in your school are able to get the most out of the Teach Rex experience.